Welcome back to this video. In today's tutorial, I will show you on how to choose who can see your Facebook story. So let's begin. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is to open up your Messenger app. After you open up your Messenger app, next thing you need to do is to click on this three slider from the top. And the next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this setting icon. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. And you have to look for privacy and safety. So click on that. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to story controls. Next thing you need to do at this point here, you can simply choose costume. So from your contact list, you can select as many as possible number of people that you want them to see your story. So once you select the contact that you want them to see your story, click on apply. Then only 9 people can see your story. So you can add more. So if you want to add more, simply click on here. If you don't want to add more, simply click on OK. So with that, only the selected people that you want them to see your Facebook story will have access to your Facebook story. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to choose who can see your Facebook story without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.